This is a quick tutorial on how to buy shares of Musti Group Oyj. Musti Group Oyj is a Nordic pet care retailer listed on CBOE EU under the ticker MUSTI.HE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MUSTI.HE to find the listing. Make sure you select the Musti Group Oyj share that shows CBOE EU as the exchange. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for Musti Group Oyj. Confirm the exchange and ticker MUSTI.HE to ensure this is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute in the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.